Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, my Esteem's rear boot latch assembly has got spoiled, so as a result the boot won't lock. So I need to replace this boot latch assembly. I just ordered a brand new boot latch assembly. It's an OEM product, as you can see here. This is the trunk lid latch assembly. The part number is A2510M70C00. Yeah, this thing cost me just 105 rupees. Now let's open it. So this is how it looks like. They've also applied some grease on it. So let's just try fixing it, and I hope this solves the issue. There is two screws here which you need to remove with the help of a star screwdriver. So once you remove that, this latch assembly should come out. And before that, you need to unhook the trunk lid cable. This is that trunk lid cable. It comes all the way from inside here, so you need to unhook that. Yeah, so the trunk lid cable is removed. You have to unattach it from this assembly. So by just removing these two screws over here, this trunk lid latch assembly should come out. So I successfully removed the trunk lid hatch assembly. So this is how the old one looks like.
You used to stop this world from spinning. Like Superman, you were the only one to find the strength in all that I was dealing with this life, like kryptonite. And if you came.
Now next we need to hook the trunk lid cable. So this is that trunk lid's cable. We need to hook this back on this assembly. Just push it inside. Don't push this first in place. If you push this cable first inside this latch assembly, then you can't get this ball steel wire in front here. That'll be difficult. I couldn't pull it out. So first you'll place the ball assembly through this. Then you can push this cable assembly inside this. So that way it goes in easily. The trunk lid is closing properly. There's no issue in that. But the issue is right now in opening it, it's not opening up. And the reason why it's not opening up is because the trunk lid wire's tension is totally messed up. It's gone. So while replacing the trunk lid latch assembly, it's wiser to replace this trunk lid wire together as well. So I did a mistake. Now I need to wait. I need to order and get this trunk lid wire also. Its tension is totally gone. That's why it's not able to close and open the latch properly. Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I finally received the Esteem's boot lock cable. The part number is A3340M70C10. Now this is a genuine Esteem part. So the boot cable actually comes from the boot lock there, and it comes all the way from here. And finally cable comes here. Now I actually can do this job myself, but it is pretty time consuming. I'll have to remove both the front and back seats and remove the trim level also. So today there are some workers doing some shutter work there, so I won't be able to vlog properly here. So I'm taking it to the service center to do this cable work. I also ordered for this boot lock handle. This did not arrive from Bootmo yet. I just got that cable. So anyway, I'm going to install just that cable right now from my FNGH.
My soul when I was falling, you moved the clouds to stop me from hitting the ground. And every goal there was a meaning, for this love ain't kryptonite. And if you keep me close, every minute in this hourglass you hold. Oh, 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 and when I fall too deep, we be right then I'll wait.
That's the old cable. It's all stretched out. Hi guys, so I finally reached home. The boot lock work is complete. It just cost me 200 rupees for labor, and the part obviously I purchased for 110 rupees. Now it's working perfectly fine. It was just a 1 hour job. Now as soon as you pull this lever up, it opens perfectly. And also locked perfectly. That's it, it's locked properly. So that's it guys, the boot lock has been repaired. I purchased the locking mechanism for 100 rupees, and I purchased the boot lock wire for another 110 rupees, and I paid 200 rupees for labor. So totally it cost me around 400 rupees, and the boot lock and unlock is working perfectly fine right now. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Stan signing out. Bye bye.